Yo, what's up guys? Sakuna here. So today's Monday, first day of the week. Let me just delete this. Today we have news at 4, so it might affect our trading because I don't trade news since I'm trading with prop firms and I try my best to avoid news. Let me go to 1 minute time frame. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe so you can see my daily analysis. Okay, on Friday we took a loss, but I kept analyzing during the weekend to see how I did my mistake. Okay, so I see the market at the moment, it's on this resistive level. Let me take my fib. At the moment it's on a resistive level, but it first bought, so I'm seeing actually that the market is trying to tell us that it's buying as much as it's on a resistive level. Let me just execute here. Although it's a high risk trade at the moment, first trade of the day, I take 3 trades per session if you didn't know. So if I lose this one, it's okay. So yeah, as much as the market is on a resistive level, which might sell, but it won't sell until the downside. You know, that's what I know. It might sell until my discount of my fib, which is around the 70% zone. Then I might take a loss there, but I would definitely execute again at the downside, because there I'm just entering so that the trade doesn't leave me, because this is my time to trade actually. Let me just place my alert there so that if the market crosses that zone, I'm just available. But as you can see, the market turned around there, and there on the box that I'm just setting, you know, there was a resistive level which the market actually broke through, so that's why I'm entering my trade. But I'll keep updating you guys on how the trade goes about. Yeah, shout out guys. Let me show you my running trades. As you can see, we are running on $6 loss, now $9 profit. So yeah, I'll keep updating you guys. So now actually the trade is just a bit into profits. You know, I'll show you my running trades as well. We are running on like $18 profits. You know, my target is actually like $1,000, and I'm risking like around $100. So yeah, as I said, you know, I'm running on $12, $15, $18. Yeah, I'll just keep showing you guys how the trade moves. Trade update guys. So actually we are in drawdown at the moment. I'm a bit skeptical that, you know, the trade might actually come to that 70% of the fib, so it might take me out. I'll show you my running trades. I'm running on around over $50 of losses. You know, just trying to show you guys actually that we do take losses. As much as I made 20,000 rands last week of my payouts, I still take losses. Let me show you guys. So as you can see, I'm running on negative $87, you know, $70. Yeah, but I'll keep updating you guys. So guys, we took a loss, and the market actually is at the last level of interest, so I might enter and just put my stop loss just below this level. So but I'll be left with just a single trade, since I take 3 trades per session. So yeah, I'll take my short here. I'll also show you the running trades and how the trade is running. Shout out. So guys, I'm still on losses. $13 of losses, $6, and actually I'm on my bed. Actually, that's the advantage of trading. You can make money in your bed. So yeah, Yo guys, so I'm so angry with myself today. Actually, like the market actually came to our initial level. We could have just waited and believed in our analysis. So that's one lesson for me. As much as I do make payouts, I still have room for knowledge, room to learn. So today is that day for me, because I took 3 losses. If I enter now, honestly, it will be just up to me. If I take the loss, I will take the repercussions or the consequences for it by myself. But honestly, the lesson was I rushed the trades. I don't know if it was because of the excitement of getting my payout on Friday and in the week in a banger. As you can see, I see this gap here. So I still believe that the market is gonna buy, but I rushed the trade, which is what I'm asking you guys not to do. Don't be like me. Don't rush your trades, guys. Because there's this level here which I just give me a moment. You see, this level is what I initially actually said the market is the point of interest basically. But I rushed my 3 trades. Yeah. But I will show you my running trades. I think I might execute, because trading is about being able to show up for the next day. So I think I have many accounts, so I will be able to show up for tomorrow for another day. But I'm not really impressed with my trading today, so I'll only take my last trade now. I'll show you the running trade and come again if it takes me out in the New York session. Yo guys, actually before I show you the trading view, now we are on $100 profits. So yeah, as you can see now, the trade is actually in deep profits. As much as I'm not impressed with my entries, really, I'm not really impressed with my entries. But yeah, just hope we actually just make money. So guys, as you just saw, we are running on $140. The market is shooting up. It's moving nicely actually. So yeah, I'll keep managing this trade and updating you guys. Shout out. Trade update, guys. So this is how we are moving at the moment. So trade is okay, I see it's consolidating at the moment. We are having almost like this consolidation level, and I'm anticipating price to break through and come to retest. Let me just put this one instead. Yeah, to break through and then come to retest this level just right there, then go up. Although we have news today, that's what I don't like. I would have loved to held this trade with no issues, it's like sort of like a set and forget type of trade. But because of the news, I'm gonna have to exit and come back and re-enter if the trade hasn't reached the level. So it sucks though, but can't hate the game, you have to hate the players. So okay, so my TP is actually far because of this gap. This gap is actually what's telling me that the market might buy. Not saying that you should now start looking for gaps. I have a lot of confluences that I'm using for my strategy. So yeah, I'm just gonna name this my take profit. Okay, yeah, so yeah, I'll keep updating you guys on how this trade goes about. Shout out. Yo guys, after some time, actually we are running on over $200, actually on the way to recovering our loss that we had. Actually we have recovered it. Actually we are break even now, So yeah, that's the art of trading. Yeah, let me show you guys. As the market broke our consolidation level, so as you can see, the market really broke our consolidation level. So I'm expecting the market to just come back and just retest this level, so my stop loss is just by this alert zone. That's where my stop loss is at. Yeah, as I said, there are news today, but at like New York session. So yeah, I'll keep updating you guys. Shout out. Yo guys, actually the market took us out. As I had put my SL right there. So it sucks, man, but it's Monday, I guess, so yeah, shout out. So basically, guys, the market took us out and actually went up, but the only thing that really made me, or rather even now still makes me not to hop on this trade is because we have news coming. That's like I've kept mentioning this, throughout the video today, because the platform that I'm using, actually most platforms, they don't allow news trading because it's almost like you are taking advantage of volatile markets, almost like gambling, making money in 2 minutes. So I was just hoping after the news. So yeah. Yo guys, days like this honestly are not nice because my trade actually went to my TP, but I was not in the trade. I messed up my trades. I over traded, or rather I overused my trading criteria in the morning, and then the other one took me out. I'm just gonna enter now, but yeah, let me just tell you guys. So then the other one took me out, as you just saw, with break even, and news were coming at late or rather beginning of New York session. Now it's currently the New York session. I'm believing on the sale, but my cry is I would have been chowing this buy. Actually there's someone calling me. I'll have to take the call. So basically, guys, I've executed this trade. I'll show you the running trades. Yeah, just one of those days, man. Yo guys, we've been taken out. This is the first trade in the New York session. Actually, I'm just so pissed off at myself for missing the trade, the previous buy. I just hope it doesn't affect my trading today. I'm just gonna take this one last trade as at the moment. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, I won't go, but there's a level right there where the market is at now. So I'm just gonna take time to execute the SL as I'm anticipating a sell at the moment. Although since how the market has been moving, I don't know if it's gonna take me out before it sells or what, but just hoping for the best and just doing what I do best every day, but the stop loss, as you can see, it's gonna be 20 pips. Yeah, I think this is my last trade, guys. I'll just keep managing it and showing you guys on my equity edge platform, because I'm trading my funded accounts actually. Hence I'm so tired with that trade that I missed, because I'm trading my funded accounts, guys. So I couldn't make money from this huge movement. Look at it. I couldn't, I really couldn't, guys. So it's pissing me off, honestly. But anyway, let me just execute right here. As I said, I couldn't make money, and actually I lost money. Instead of making money, So yeah, it happens. But as I said, I'm gonna use this channel as my channel so that I can also learn from my mistakes. I hope you tune in as well so you can learn yourself, So yeah, shout out, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna place my alert right there as almost like a level that calls me back to look at the market. So shout out, guys. We'll keep updating you guys. Yo guys, so this is my prop firm platform on my mesh trader. So yeah, this is how the trade is running at the moment. I believe so heavily on the sells. So yeah, just manage the trade with me so you can get a feel of how I really trade, yeah. So my TP is just right below the down below there. So yeah, trade is running proper. I'll keep updating you guys. Shout out. Trade is deep, guys. Trade is deep into profits. So what we can do now is just manage our trade by moving the SL just at least around that level. So allow me to do so. Let me just move my SL. Actually, it's nice to trade in this platform because you guys can actually see me moving my stop loss. As you can see, I was risking $20 now. Okay, so I move my SL there. Actually, I think this is the wrong account. Let me show you the other account that I'm managing. So yeah, this is the account that actually I should have displayed there. As you can see, there's a difference in the lot sizes. So but it's my funded accounts. Yo guys, I don't wanna lie, this is the longest trading day I've ever done in a while. I took my first trade in the morning London session. Now it's late New York session and I'm still trading, so it's not healthy, but I think it's driven by me losing that trade that I could have made money on. So yeah, so as you can see, we are back in drawdown from running on $200 profits. I make sure it's done for the day. This trade is close to my SL. So yeah, shout out guys, see you in the next episode.